dear children, we come to the second part of the video where I'm going to tell you that whether we add time or subtract time, like here in this case, 2 hours, 5 minutes after midnight. So obviously in my previous example, I showed you that after means plus. After means plus and before means minus. And the starting time here in this case will be midnight, and 2 hours 5 minutes will be the elapsed time. 2 hours 5 minutes is called as the elapsed time. The next example, 2 hours 5 minutes before midnight. In that case, before means I have to do the subtraction between the two time. The midnight is the finishing time, and the 2 hours 5 minutes is the elapsed time. Children, please note 2 hours and 5 minutes. The duration that you have to either add or you have to subtract is called as the elapsed time. Depending on the term, after or before you have to do the addition or the subtraction. Midnight is the starting time, and in this particular case, it's the finishing time. Let's look at the example. The class picnic got over at 5 p.m. If it lasted for 6 hours 30 minutes, at what time did it begin? The class picnic got over at 5 p.m. If it had lasted for 6 hours 30 minutes, at what time it began? So obviously the finishing time, the picnic got over at 5 p.m. And we have to find out the starting time and the elapsed time. That is the time between the starting time and the finishing time is 6 hours 30 minutes. So this time I have to do the subtraction of 6 hours 30 minutes from 1700 hours, or the manually every time the jump of 1 hour you have to take. Now, one more thing you see here, 1 year, 11 months plus 1 year, 10 months. So children, always follow, whether in case of time or year and months, you have to follow. Year is given here 1 year, 11 months, and another year is given 1 year, 10 months. When I do the addition and I get 2 years, 21 months. Now there are no 21 months. We have 12 months in a year. So I divide this 21 in two parts, that is 12 plus 9 months. And this 12 goes as in 1 year to this particular 2 years, and it becomes 3 years plus 9 months. So it gets here 3 years, 9 months. Okay, even when you have time, you take it as hours and minutes in this column form and do your addition. I did not specify that during the solving because of the space on the screen, but always it is convenient to do it that way. So here I end my second video, children, and I hope you all have understood this clearly. The elapsed time, the starting time, and the finishing time. The time between the starting time and the finishing time is called as the elapsed time, depending on what is being asked. If they are asking the starting time, that means you have to do subtraction. If they are asking the finishing time, that means they are asking you for, sorry, if they are asking, yeah, if they are asking for finishing time, that means you have to do the addition. So please, children, do take care of this. And if you do the addition and subtraction in form of column form, it's always much easier. And always remember 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. 24 hours is equals to 1 day. And here, like in this case, 12 months is equals to 1 year. So always when on the hand, right hand side, you see anything beyond these, you have to move them to right hand side. So with this, children, I'm ending my second part of the video. Please do take care of yourself, follow the video, and I'll see you all in the live session tomorrow. Thank you so much, children. Have a good day.